Hi, to scan QR codes on your Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, firstly, let's open Settings. And from here, we need to scroll on the left side so we can see these tab apps. And now here, just find your camera, tap on it, and go in its settings. And after that, you need to enable this feature scan QR codes by tapping on this switcher so it will light up blue like that. Also, you can go in the camera app itself. Here, select this settings icon and make sure scan QR codes is activated. Now we need to take our QR code. In my case, it would be this user manual from Samsung. And what we are going to do next is to point the camera at this QR code. Make sure you got good lighting. And after that, we'll see this orange line. We need to tap on the arrow and we got a few options. View full text, search web, and a bit more. So let's just scan this QR code again and tap on the arrow. So now we can copy, share, and search web. If you select this option, you'll be able to check the content of this QR code. Additionally, let's close the Samsung Internet. We can just swipe down from the upper right corner to trigger quick settings. And now let's swipe again. After that, let's swipe left, and I got this feature scan QR code right on my second page. So let's tap on it, and after that we need to do the same thing. So we need to point the camera at this QR code and it would be automatically scanned, and we can again copy, share, search web, view full text, and of course close this window. And that's it for today. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.